Welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, we'll show you how to book an appointment for a new patient. This function is useful when a patient has never visited the practice before. It allows you to reserve a time slot in the schedule without needing the patient's full details up front. Only basic information is required, such as name, surname, contact number, and ID number. Once the patient arrives at the practice, their full electronic file can be completed with all necessary information. This ensures a smoother check-in process and accurate patient record management. There are two ways to book a new patient in GoodX. One, from a time slot directly in the diary. Two, by clicking the new booking button. To create a booking from a time slot, double-click on the time slot where you'd like to make the appointment. The Add Edit Booking screen will appear. Complete the relevant data and patient information. Fields marked with a red asterisk are compulsory. Please note, the patient section needs to be filled in for every data, even if the data is also the patient, which can easily be done by clicking on the Duplicate Data Details button. Once you've entered the necessary information, click the Save button. The Add Edit Booking screen will close and you'll return to the diary. The booking will now appear in the selected time slot. It is important to note that at this stage, the patient has not yet been added as a debtor and therefore does not have an account. You can see that by the account icon being black. You will also notice that you cannot use any of the system functionalities for this patient. For a detailed explanation of the icons on the Debtor Booking tab, please refer to the Booking Icons Explained user manual linked in this video description. To create a full account, click on the Debtor Add button. The Debtor Details screen will open. Here, it is advisable to complete all the debtor's information. Thereafter, click on the Debtor Details drop-down menu and select Normal to create a full account. Click Save and you will see that the A has now turned orange or green, meaning that a debtor file has been created and you will now be open to use the system's full functionalities. This is just one of the multiple ways to add a debtor. So please be sure to refer to the How to Create a New Debtor user manual linked in this video's description when creating a debtor. Now let's look at the second option, booking via the New Booking button. Click on the New Booking button, usually located on the main diary toolbar. The Add Edit Booking screen will open just like before. You'll complete the booking in the same way as you would from the time slot. The only difference is that unlike the time slot diary booking, here you will have to pay close attention to the time and date of your booking slot. Please refer back to the From the Time Slot section in this tutorial video for step-by-step guidance. And with that, we've come to the end of this tutorial video. For tutorial videos, subscribe to the GoodX YouTube channel or visit the GoodX Learning Center. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.